When you're looking for a station controller solution, you're looking for a number of different things. You want to make sure that it supports all of the different environments and tools and technologies inside your factory. You want to make sure that it's fast to deploy, that it's easy and quick to make changes and updates to your station controllers even after you've deployed them for the first time. You want to make sure that it's stable and robust and is going to last and run your factory 24/7 around the clock without any errors. You've got to make sure that it's standards compliant, that it knows how to talk all the different semi-standards that are available, both the old and the new. And you want to make sure that it's feature rich, that it's got all the different capabilities that are required to maximize the throughput and yield and processing at your facility. PFSC combines all of these advantages into one package. It's one of the most feature-rich station controller packages you can buy. Pure Group is the leader in factory automation across the semiconductor industry, and we know the semi standards, and we've baked that knowledge into PFSC, so it's available out of the box. PFSC features a rich graphical interface that you use to design the screens and drag and drop the components for your solution, making it quick and easy for your engineers to build station controllers and make changes after the fact. One of the coolest features of PFSC is the Peer Document Transformer. The Peer Document Transformer actually makes it easy for you to read a SexGem manual, parse the information out of that, and create a rich, strongly typed set of objects that you can use to write your station controller. It'll actually allow you to parse that SexGem manual, find all of those instructions, and then build it for you automatically, the initial steps required to build that station control. The best part about this is that if the toolmaker ships you an updated copy of that manual, you can run the Peer Document Transformer, or PDT, again, and it'll make the updates, find those changes, and deploy those into your station controller with a minimum of additional effort by your engineers. This greatly reduces the cost and effort required to create a station controller for your facility. Now, when it comes to actually using PFSC, you've got a number of different options. Pure Group offers a turnkey operation where we'll use the product to develop the station controllers for you. There's a full software development kit model where you get to have your engineers go ahead and build those station controllers for your factory. Or perhaps most popular of all is the hybrid model, where Pure Group engineers will work with your staff, provide the training, help build those first few station controllers or the initial implementation for your factory, and from there your team can take it over and make the changes and updates and additions going forward, giving you the maximum flexibility and power and confidence that your station controller solution is going to work up front, meet those deadlines, and be achieved at a reasonable cost. For all these reasons, we believe that Pure Factory Station Controller is the best solution for building station control for your factory, whether it's a new facility or legacy facility looking to make upgrades so you can improve your data collection, get rid of run sheets, whatever it is you're trying to accomplish. Pure Factory Station Controller, PFSC, is the best solution for you, and we hope you get a chance to explore it.